Hello everyone and welcome to today's presentation for H80-30. I'm glad you could join me as we explore one of the key topics in health information management, hospital autopsy rate. We'll break down the gross, net and adjusted autopsy rate, look at real-life example and learn how these measures help us monitor and improve healthcare quality. On this slide, we are looking to the gross autopsy rate. This formula calculates the percentage of inpatient death that received an autopsy. For example, if there are 40 autopsies performed out of 100 inpatient deaths, our gross autopsy rate is 40%. This rate gives us an overall picture of how often autopsies are performed for inpatient death in a hospital. For the net autopsy rate, the formula net autopsy rate equals total autopsies on inpatient death divided by total inpatient death minus cases removed by coroner or medical examiner, times by 100 to have our rate in percentage. So the net autopsy rate provides a more accurate picture by excluding deaths that were removed by the coroner or medical examiner, meaning the hospital couldn't perform the autopsy. Using our example numbers, subtract 20 coroner cases from 100 inpatient deaths, divide 4 autopsies by the remaining 80 deaths, and multiply by 100. So the net rate here is 50%. This shows the rate of autopsies out of the bodies actually available to the hospital. For adjusted hospital autopsy rate, the formula is number of hospital autopsies divided by number of bodies available for autopsy minus cases removed by a coroner, then we time it by 100 to convert it to percentage. So the adjusted hospital autopsy rate includes a wider range of death: inpatient, outpatient, ER, and home health patients whose bodies are available for autopsy. For example, if there are 40 inpatient autopsies, 5 formal hospital patients brought for autopsy, and 2 coroner cases, and overall is 100 inpatient deaths. So we're gonna add 40 inpatients autopsies plus 5 former hospital patients divided on 100 plus 5. Then we subtract the coroner cases, then we time it by 100 to convert it to percentage. In our case, we have 45 divided by 98. Our rate is 45.92. On this slide, we are comparing gross, net, and adjusted autopsy as shown in the table. As you can see, each rate serves a different purpose and expands the scope of analysis. The gross rate is most straightforward, covering all inpatient death. The net rates exclude cases unavailable for hospital autopsy by coroner examiner, providing a more accurate reflection of a hospital practice. The adjusted hospital autopsy rate include additional patient groups offering the broadest view. Choosing the appropriate rate ensure your statistics match your reporting goals and accurately reflect hospital and performance. So by the end of this slide or this presentation, thank you all for your attention. To sum up, understanding how to calculate and compare autopsy rates give us important tools for quality assurance and accurate reporting in healthcare setting. These skills help connect data to real improvement in patient care. Thank you so much.